Welcome to maidcv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Emerus Kablay, uh,
How?
26 years old,
And you're from?
and from
You're from?
Philippines.
Okay. So are you single or married?
Single, but I have two kids in the Philippines.
Who's taking care of your children?
My husband, my relatives.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
It's immediately, ma'am.
Immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please describe your last job as a housemaid in Philippines.
It's enjoyable.
Okay. So you worked for a Filipino family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what were your duties and responsibilities for that family?
For taking, for cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house. Okay.
In taking her the.
Cleaning the house. Do you cook for them?
Yes, ma'am.
You also cook for them. Okay. How about the laundry? Do you wash the clothes?
Yes, ma'am.
And iron also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what did you like most about your last job and why? What did you enjoy doing in your last job as a housemaid? What did you enjoy? You enjoy the cleaning or ironing? What?
I'm enjoying cleaning, ma'am.
Cleaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. For example, how do you clean the living room? It's a sala, the living room. How do you clean it?
For swiping, for swiping the floor.
Okay, sweeping the floor. Okay, and then?
And cleaning the table and others.
Sweeping the floors, dusting?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay. So how about the kitchen? How do you clean the kitchen?
It's dusting also, ma'am. Sweeping also the floor.
Sweeping the floor, and how about the dishes, dirty dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I also wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. If there are any dirty dishes, you have to clean it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about the garbage? You have to throw the garbage also.
Yes, ma'am. I will throw the garbage
every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so how about the bedroom? How do you clean the bedroom?
Just.
For the bedroom?
Yes, ma'am.
The bed sheet. What are you going to do with the bed sheet? You have to change it?
Yes, ma'am. I will change the bed sheet in.
How many times in a week?
Every 1 week.
Once a week.
Once
you
a
have
week.
to change the bed sheet.
Yes,
and then of course, changing bed sheet and then the floors.
Sweeping the floor.
Sweeping the floors and ensure that everything is in proper
places.
Okay. So how about the toilet?
I'll clean also.
Okay, by using
By
what?
using liquids.
Liquid disinfectant.
Disinfectant, ma'am.
Okay. So how many times in a day are you going to clean it? The toilet?
Every day, ma'am. If.
Every day or as needed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of foods you can cook?
I just only cook, but I learn.
You can cook Filipino foods?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you willing to learn how to cook
Yes,
other
ma'am,
dishes? Can you follow?
I'm willing to
You're
learn.
willing to learn?
Yes.
Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
You can follow instruction in cookbooks. Okay. So, what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself. Are you hardworking, honest?
Yes.
What qualities do you have?
I'm a hardworking mom.
You're a hardworking
Yes.
person. Okay. So, give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? They should hire you because?
Okay. Because I like to earn money for my family.
Back home.
Back home,
Okay.
yes.
So, and what qualities do you have?
And America.
No. What qualities do you have? Are you hardworking, honest?
Honest ma.
You're an honest person.
Yes.
That's why they should hire you.
Yes.
Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidTV.com. Thank you.